So President Cyril Ramaphosa could be asked to appear before Parliament's ad hoc committee that's investigating allegations of corruption within the justice system. Committee Chair Lekganyane says the President's name, along with those of senior police generals, will be referred to Parliament's legal team for assessment in order to determine whether they should be called to answer questions about the disbandment of the political killings task team. Watching that story is SABC News reporter Abra Barbier, who joins us now live from Parliament. And Abra, my understanding is that the President may also be given a list of questions to which he should answer and have a written submission before MPs.
Ayanda, good morning. Exactly that, yes. Yesterday the committee decided that, the majority of the committee decided that instead of sending President Cyril Ramaphosa for an assessment alongside those generals that you mentioned, he will instead get a list of questions which will be drawn up by the legal team in consultation with MPs to give their input. And these questions will then be sent to President Ramaphosa for answering. Of course, those questions relate to exactly what it is that the committee is dealing with. Sorry about that. So that is where they stand with the President at the moment. We're not sure of exactly what the timelines are, but the ANC Chief Whip, Mr. Ntuli, did mention that the legal team, the parliamentary legal team, should write to the President today. Ayanda?
Right. Today, though, we do anticipate that the committee will continue with its work, Abra. And in fact, my understanding is that we don't have one, not two, but up to 4 witnesses who could testify today.
All right, Ayanda, sorry, I missed that question.
I was just asking for a lay of the land for today, Abra. Up to 4 witnesses, I understand, who may very well appear before MPs today.
Yes, we have 4 witnesses. At this stage, 2 of them are remaining anonymous. The one will reveal herself when she appears before the committee. It's simply for security reasons while she travels. And then we have another 2 gentlemen who have been described as whistleblowers, who apparently have information which they feel is pertinent to share with the committee. So remember, we had members of the public write into the committee saying that they feel that they have information which is necessary to put before MPs, and they received over 200 submissions, and from that the committee whittled it down, and the witnesses we are going to be seeing today, their names were on those. They were also part of the public submissions received. And what we are hoping for today, to have 4 people in one sitting is going to be quite a lot. I don't know if that's indicative of the pace at which the committee is moving, if the committee is concerned about timeframes, because it is supposed to finish its formal interview process at the end of this week so that they can start working on their draft report, which needs to be handed to the National Assembly. So, of course, the evidence which we are expecting to hear today would be evidence that could or should support claims of political interference and criminality in the SAPS, and who knows, we don't know if more names are going to be implicated and what this is going to mean in terms of the witness list getting even longer, which was something else that came out of yesterday's meeting. And it's going to be very interesting just to see how the committee gets through all 4 of these witnesses today and what exactly it is that they are going to offer, if they are going to be able to offer anything substantial that will assist the committee in its work. Ayanda?
All right, Abra Barbier is live to us there from Cape Town. Let's see how it all unfolds. We'll certainly be watching the ad hoc committee closely throughout the course of the day.